focus now to Bihar. Political showdown over Bihar roll revision exercise has intensified with protests and sloganeering being witnessed in the parliament. Day 2 of monsoon session of parliament has been marked with disruption and chaos, with both houses seeing adjournments within minutes of being convened this morning. Now the hangama continued outside the house, with opposition MPs staging a protest against special intensive revision at the Makardwar. Opposition MPs held placards saying SIR amounted to death of democracy.
The opposition parties are protesting at Makardwar against the special intensive revision, and these are the visuals from Makardwar. You can see that how Rahul Gandhi, another senior leader of the opposition parties, Akhilesh Yadav, A. Raja, Dharmendra Yadav, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, they are all protesting at the Makardwar. Now the opposition has been saying this, that the Election Commission has undertaken the exercise of SIR to people coming on from the minority community and from the backward classes, and perhaps that is why they say that this particular exercise should not be undertaken. And they also say that Election Commission is working on the behest of the BJP to cut out the votes of the opposition party. So a massive protest over here. What we see is that Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Akhilesh Yadav, Kanni Modi, all the senior leaders of the opposition parties are present in this particular protest, and they have been saying this, that it's not just Bihar, but this exercise will not stop with Bihar. This exercise will go on in West Bengal and other states, which will in the end benefit the BJP. So clearly a massive protest over here against the SIR. The government has been saying this, that what exactly is the issue with the opposition parties if the SIR is being conducted and the names of illegal immigrants, Rohingyas, are being cut off from the electoral roll. So clearly massive politics from roads to parliament. We see the protests happening, and the opposition says that they are against the SIR.
Well, the INDI bloc leaders held a meeting in the presence of Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi. Sources say that decision was taken that SIR issue will be raised in both houses of the parliament and pressure will be built to allow Rahul Gandhi to speak in the house. Opposition leaders continue to raise questions on the roll revision exercise, alleging it is aimed at disenfranchising people, particularly those from marginalized and minority communities.
का कत्ल है और हम इसी के लिए हम बार-बार बोल रहे हैं कि ये एकदम गलत है जो कर रहे हैं। लोकतंत्र का कत्ल है और हम इसी के लिए हम बार-बार बोल रहे हैं कि ये एकदम गलत है जो कर रहे हैं।
I view the SIR, the Special Intensive Revision, to Jim Crow laws, which were prevalent in America during the days of segregation, where they used those laws to disenfranchise people of color. I believe this SIR is going to be used to disenfranchise people from marginalized communities, particularly the minorities.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसी को वोट नहीं डालने देना चाहती, और बिहार में जिस तरीके की कार्रवाई चल रही है, इसी तरह उत्तर प्रदेश में जानबूझ करके भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने इलेक्शन कमीशन से मिलकर के और प्रशासन के सहारे बड़े पैमाने पर वोट काटे थे, डिलीटेड शो किया था। और जिस समय हम लोगों ने आपत्ति की और आरोप लगाया तो उन्होंने हमें नोटिस दिया। नोटिस के जवाब में मैंने खुद समाजवादी पार्टी से सभी लोगों ने, कार्यकर्ताओं ने, नेताओं ने मिलकर के 18,000 जिन्होंने वोट डाले थे बाद में डिलीटेड कर दिया था उनका, और वो वहीं थे, जिंदा थे, लेकिन 18,000 का विद एफिडेविट इलेक्शन कमीशन को जानकारी दी, लेकिन किसी भी अधिकारी के खिलाफ कभी कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई है। और बूथ पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग पता नहीं कौन सी मशीन रखते हैं कि अगर आपको वोटर आईडी चाहिए जो आपका इलेक्शन कमीशन बनाता है वो 5 मिनट में बना देते हैं, आधार कार्ड चाहिए जिसको वो 5 मिनट बना देते हैं।
It's not only opposition parties which have been saying that SIR should be stopped immediately. It's the common citizen of this country, the poor, the Dalit, the tribal, the backward community, the EBCs, and the minorities. You know, you are confining the entire process into 11 documents. The saturation level of these documents in Bihar, which is the most document deficient state. We went to the Election Commission. They did not listen to us. They heard us out, but did not listen to us. We have moved to the court also. Probably, I think a good sense should prevail that the chaotic situation which we see all across Bihar, That's a moment in say our democracy where one man, one vote, one value is being denigrated.
Well, the showdown in Parliament comes a day after West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee issued an open warning to the Election Commission. She said if SIR is carried out in Bengal, she will घेराव the EC and won't allow the exercise to be conducted in the state.
जैसे बिहार में 40 लाखों का ज्यादा आदमी को नाम निकाल दिया और बंगाल में भी करने वाला है। अगर करेगा तो घेराव कर्मसूची करेंगे, पूरा घेराव होगा, पूरा आंदोलन होगा। हम नाम काटने नहीं देंगे, हम नाम डालने नहीं देंगे डिटेंशन कैंप में।
Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has also hit back at the opposition, saying that the opposition's constitution hypocrisy has been exposed. Listen in.
मुझे लग रहा है अब विपक्ष गुंडागर्दी पे उतर गया है। बिहार में से लेकर के लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, आज बिहार के अंदर ये लोग संविधान की बात कर रहे हैं। क्या संवैधानिक संस्था चुनाव आयोग नहीं है? क्या उस संविधान के तहत नहीं चलता है? 2003 में उस समय नरेंद्र मोदी देश के प्रधानमंत्री थे क्या? आखिर ये जानबूझ करके ये गुंडागर्दी है।
Let's go across to Niyamika joining us on the broadcast with more details. The war of words only getting fierce, Niyamika.
Well, yes, indeed, as from a very long time, the opposition parties are continuously making this demand that this SIR exercise needs to be postponed, as it is humanly impossible to conduct this entire exercise, to conduct this revision of the electoral rules within the time span of 30 days, as they have also given an example of 2003 when last time this entire exercise was being conducted in the state of Bihar. So they are basically, the opposition leaders are saying that at that point in time it had taken 2 years for the Election Commission of India to revise all this electoral rules, and for that reason they are basically questioning the timing of this exercise, as they are saying that just a few months before Election Commission of India has announced that there will be a revision of the voter list, as now the assembly elections are coming in. So the opposition parties are basically trying to say that this is nothing but just an attempt to cut those voters' name who are not going to vote in favor of the BJP and JDU, as they are saying that it is basically an attack upon the minorities, upon the Dalits, which the BJP government through ECI is trying to do, as they are saying that the Election Commission is not only going to conduct this exercise only in the state of Bihar, but soon after that it will be conducted in West Bengal as well as in Assam, and that is the only reason why they are saying that it must be stopped as soon as possible. Earlier they had approached the Election Commission of India making this demand. Then they had also taken a legal route approaching the Supreme Court of India, but now this time they are taking it up within the parliament, seeking answers from the government of India regarding this entire matter, and saying that it must be stopped because the the number of documents which are going to be being asked by the Election Commission, those 11 documents are very much impossible for the Bihar people, specifically the migrant workers, to prove their authenticity, to prove that they are basically resident of Bihar, and that is the reason why they are saying that it can be done after the assembly elections would be over, because the opposition is also making this claim that when the Lok Sabha elections can take place on the basis of this same voter list, then why can't the assembly elections can also be conducted on this voter list only?
All right, Niyamika, thank you very much for getting us all the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break.